Babe, wake up. We're talking about my favorite highways.
And my least favorite, all throughout the Salt Lake Valley.
We're on our way to see House on Eden. Yeah, I hate Bangerter Highway. Hardly even newer highway, bro. Explode. It's always chill, but I don't like it for some reason. Steep, fuck.
I'm going 15 miles over. I'm going 70.
I keep missing it. Yeah!
It felt wrong to go under 70, and then I was scared to move over.
There's a trampoline park here. Let's jump away your anxiety. Every single day? Every single day, you said?
How many points have I hit this?
Not even at the movie yet, and he's dissociating.
Am I able to park here?
It's a